Hello everyone, welcome to Repeat Learning Tutorials. Today in the Leadership Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to learn about the 5 V rules of leadership success and life transformation. I feel if you transform your life as a leader, so you should be knowing the 5 V's of leadership success. What are these? Number 1, leader is always valorous. That is, he's always brave and heroic in accomplishing whatever task or goals or assignments he has in his life, right? Next, the leader is always valuable, precious and important in creating that value, in achieving that value, in creating that impact. Next, the leader is always appreciated for, revered and respected. So we call it as venerated. So the third V stands for venerated. The fourth V in the leadership stands for venturous. That is, leader is always fearless, bold and daring. And the fifth V stands for being veracious. That is truthful and honest, and maintain that integrity and honesty and transparency in his work, in his achievements, in every task of his life, right? Every aspect of his life. Now, coming to the first one, which says valorous. So, leader is always brave and heroic in doing and going to that extra mile or creating the path for others. He will boldly go himself, even if it is required to go alone into that direction. Leader will go boldly in that direction, make the path and create that path after knowing and exploring about the details and the nitty-gritties, whether the direction we are going to take in the future is right or not, the direction we are going, or the project we are going to implement, or the tools and technologies we are going to implement, whether it is for the big picture, whether it is good for the global audience, or whether it is going to create the global impact or not. So I have to take those difficult, bold decisions, and sometimes it requires to go in those directions alone as well. But being confident and being bold and fearlessly face your fears. Number 2, valuable. Leader is always valuable in sharing knowledge. Sharing is caring. Share your knowledge. Be knowledgeable. Provide insights when needed, provide suggestions, give your advices when needed, and become your subject matter expert. So you can create that impact, you can create that value, so that people can look up to you for more inputs or more suggestions. Become that expert in your area of expertise, or in your domain, or in your technology, or in your work, in your business, in your life. In your life is the major motor, right? For your exponential life transformation and transition. Being precious and being important. Next is venerated. So leader is always revered and respected and being treated as a role model for many others who are working with them, or who are working under them, or who are looking up to them as, or who are reporting to them. So right, create that value, and always respect is give and take. So be cautious, be curious, give and take respect. Always, always, always. Next is venturous. Brave and heroic. And now come to venturous. It's again, be a hero. Save, rescue your teams, rescue your organizations, rescue your people when in need. Okay, so as a leader, it's your responsibility to take care of the people who are reporting to you, or people who are working for you. Make them so expert in their field, or make them powerful by providing them all the resources, by providing them all the sufficient necessities or knowledge or trainings, so that they are capable enough and they become competent and capable in their field of work, and can give you remarkable results in return, right? That will create your ROI, return on investment. So try to make more leaders and be brave and heroic and daring to take that bold step ahead. Save your teams when needed. Next is veracious. Be truth and honest. Take your decisions with utmost transparency and be truthful and honest in your work, in your business, in your approach. And lead with that confidence, because once you're truthful about the things, you yourself create that confidence. Nobody can deny, and lies cannot win that, right? So be bold and daring and be confident in your work. Make every deal your win-win, right? And be truthful and transparent and honest. So these are my 5 V's. Hope you like them.